What's up, YouTube? FD White back with another episode of FD White Invest. Welcome to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. So let's jump right into it. Bitcoin right now is sitting at 67,610. We did have that nice flush out yesterday to about 65K, down to a major SR support resistance macro flip level. We held, and then we bounced right back up, reclaimed that 65 or that 66 $300 level, and then we proceeded to make our way back up. So what am I looking for right now for Bitcoin? Just a quick analysis. I'm looking for us to flip that downward sloping trend line that's coming all the way back from the top of our cycle high. We kept making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So that's coming in, we'll say about 68K. So I want to turn 68K into support, hold that, and then make our way inevitably up to about 69, 70K, which is our cycle high of 2021. Hold that, and then we can make our way back to all-time highs. And like I said, with everything happening in the beginning of November, we should get some sort of resolution soon. We should get some sort of price movement that determines the direction for the market, hopefully for the remainder of the year going into Q1. And we all hope that that is to the upside. We really, really do. Meme coins are still running. Let's talk about meme coins really quick. We had GOAT going up. GOAT is up 20% from yesterday. So we was talking about GOAT at 46 cents. And then GOAT went to 64 yesterday, and now we're up at 77 cents. I think we went up as high as 90 cents, almost $1. So this is another play that I was talking about. I was talking about Popcat. So now we're talking about this one. I think this one has a lot more upside to go. So today we did get up to about 92 cents. So what I'm looking at for GOAT is I was hoping that we came back down to this upward sloping trend line at about 68 to 69 cents. We haven't came back down there. So if we do seem to come back down there somewhere around that level to touch this upper sloping trend line, that'll be what I'm looking for. If we start getting a rollover and lose this upper sloping trend line for GOAT, I will be looking for something like, potentially break down, retest, come down to this 50 cent psychological level. But my main line in the sand for GOAT will be like 39 to 40 cents. I'll load the bag up here if we do come back down. But the way meme coins are going, the way this is moving, I don't even know if we're going to even come back that far. So what I'll be looking for is, potentially coming back down to the $68, $69 level. Let's actually look at some of our oscillators and see if we can get some sort of. We do have money flow starting to curve up on the hourly. Let's look at the 4 hour. We don't have a lot of information for GOAT, so we can't really do too much TA, but we're just basically basically moving off pure hype and pure speculation at this moment. RSI is curving down on the 15. Looks like it's cooling off a little bit. On the hourly, it is starting to curve back up. So it's a little bit of indecision right now between the bulls and the bears. So we'll have to see how this plays out throughout the day. But like I said, I'll be looking to potentially long here at this upper sloping trend line that's coming all the way back from last Monday. Or is that this Monday? What's today's date? Well, Monday the 21st, whenever that was. So it's in a massive, a nice, healthy uptrend. It's just been going up, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So as long as it continues that trajectory, then it's something that you want to look at. If you want to trade that or buy spot. Popcat is also up to 59 cents. It's up 6.48% today. Got a nice little bounce off of this little area here. We had money flow starting to come back up. Now it's looking like it's leveling out. Let's actually look at the daily. We do have a lot of information for Popcat for the daily. So this one again, here's the upper sloping trend line. Like these meme coins have been respecting these massive upper sloping trend lines. So for this one, of course, same rules apply. We'll be looking for somewhere around this area at the $1.38, $1.40 to potentially get another run up. So it's just basically just doing that. And it's until it deviates below this line right here, we're just going to keep trading this. We're going to keep trying to trade this, and hopefully these meme coins can continue to pop off. I was looking at a tweet, I think from Murad, the meme coin guy, and he was saying Popcat hasn't even hit its parabolic move yet. So I mean, Popcat has been a darling of this second half of this bull run, so that's definitely something that I want to keep my eye on. Dogecoin is up a little bit. We've been talking about Dogecoin a lot. That's up to about 14 cents. Ethereum is at 2,500. Solana's been moving. Obviously, because meme coins on Solana are bringing a lot of liquidity over to Solana, so it's at $1.76. A lot of people are looking for that $200 level, but for Solana, you want to break that $185 level. I think that is. Let's actually go down, look at some Solana. So we broke this level here at $1.60. That was key resistance. Easy trade. If you were a breakout, a breakout trader, that was an easy trade. So we're trying to make our way back up to this $1.80, $185 level. I'm sorry. And then after that, we can possibly continue to make our way back up. Cycle highs coming in, I want to say $212. Yep, about $210. So I think that's going to be easily taken out if the market can remain bullish. For Solana, I do have two stories that I wanted to go over. So Kraken, shout out to Kraken, man. They are launching their own blockchain in early 2025. So I'm not really too keen on these exchanges launching their own blockchains. We had a lot of different or bad takes when it comes to these. I'm not going to name any names, but one of the only ones that's really been going hard and going steady is Binance. There are a few more that are pretty big and have their own blockchain, but we'll just have to see how this happens. Kraken is not really one of the ones that I use, so I'm not really too familiar with Kraken when it comes to the centralized exchange. But they're talking about launching a blockchain for DeFi in early 2025. So I think the hype, the DeFi train may come back around. This may be one of the catalysts for DeFi to come back and exchange tokens to come back. So if this starts to creep up and make moves, be looking out for those exchange tokens to make moves. This is how crypto works. Narrative and how much firepower behind the narrative. So if we have something coming up like this could potentially be something to shoot up the exchange tokens. So we will be keeping our eye out on Kraken and their blockchain launch in 2025. And lastly, I want to talk about Bitcoin mining. It did reach a new all-time high in difficulty. So I'm not sure how that really works, but I know as it gets more difficult, it takes a lot more power to break these, or get these mining rewards, solve these cryptic puzzles, so to say, and that just takes more power, and that power takes more money. So we've been thinking down the line and seeing how these miners will potentially remain profitable. And Bitcoin's price has to continue to go up, has to appreciate for these miners to remain profitable. So we'll be looking for this in the immediate short term and going into 2025. Hopefully, as these miner rewards these miners, the miner difficulty climbs, hopefully Bitcoin's price climbs. So we can keep that hash rate high, and we can keep the security going, and we can keep the transactions pretty steady, and have hope the network just keeps it moving, because it all predicates on these miners and the security of it, and mining these rewards and mining these blocks and things like that. So as price appreciates, even though the mining difficulty may get a little bit more difficult over time, it still will be a profitable business over the long haul. So that was just so pure, it's pure kind of genius the way this was all set up, man. So shout out to Satoshi. I know it's probably not the guy that they said it is on HBO, but whoever he was, she was, they was, this is definitely just a breakthrough, and they should receive a Nobel Prize for this. So this is. I wish I would have got into mining a little bit earlier. Back maybe about 5-6 years ago, and it probably would have been too late then if you don't have like a lot of money to purchase a lot of equipment. But hopefully it can remain profitable, and hopefully these companies can keep afloat and stay afloat as the price sometimes stalls out or comes down. But ultimately, we all know that Bitcoin is going to go up. How fast and how long we got to wait, for those astronomically high numbers, that's to be determined. So that's all I wanted to come with today, man. Just a quick market update. I go by FD White. If you're not subscribed, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We will come with some more updates, some more news, some more charts, some more analysis. And stay tuned. We will be killing it as always for the rest of this bull run. And even if we go into the bear market or whatever kind of market it is, we're going to find ways to make money. So this is FD White. I will talk to you in a minute. Peace.